Hey guys, it's me AJ and welcome back to another episode on the other side. And on my channel I share with you my new journey on achieving good and smooth skin. So stay tuned. Microneedling your scalp. Anyway, actually I already watched sort of videos and study on how to do microneedling on your hair. As you can see, I have a problem. My hair is going it's decaying. Is that a good term? Anyway, I'm balding. I'm trying to do some experiments on my hair because I gained some knowledge that microneedling can help bring back your hair, and I'm so excited because I've been doing microneedling on my face. I've been doing microneedling on my face twice, and it's really good. So if you haven't watched my video on how I do my microneedling on my face, so please check. But today I'll be sharing on how to use A6 pen. You don't need to make it bleeding, okay? No need. So normally, based on the vlog that I've watched, he just used 0.5 on the needle. You know, he is not staying on a particular, for example here, it's just like if he's done, it's done, and move on, kalas. Here again, move on. Here again, move on. So you don't have to stay longer, okay? And most importantly, you need to have your alcohol every time you do a microneedling, not just on the face but also microneedling on your scalp. Okay, so let's start. So I'll be using this cartridge. It's 12 needles, and I actually have a small container with alcohol, so I just dip it just to make sure that it's clean, and shoot it. Oh, so hard, so I have to use the mirror, okay?
A few minutes later.
Oh. Oh. So I think we need a glide on this. In this time I use this body oil. It can be used also on the scalp, okay, not just on the body, just to have a glide, because I noticed that it's so dry in this area and it's hard to glide. You can use water as well.
Two hours later. Two 2,000 years later.
So that's it. I think it's done. I just heat the most important area on my scalp, which is this in this area, okay, because my scalp here is actually not that not that totally damaged, but only here. So I am focusing here in this area. Now normally you do microneedling every 10 days, every 10 days, and for the first 24 hours don't put anything. Right now I'm using this product, Rogaine. It is a hair regrowth treatment foam, and it's minoxidil. So this is what I use normally twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. But for now, since I just do the microneedling, I will not use this tonight, so I will be using it tomorrow night, yeah, because we need our scalp to breathe around 24 hours. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully guys that this is an informative one for you, and if you're struggling as well like me, then you can also consider to try microneedling and using this Rogaine. Alright, so see you next time. Bye.